What if I told you that right here on YouTube there are thousands of free songs you can legally download and DJ with? And the best part is, all you need is a Google account. In this video, I'll show you how to get free music directly from YouTube, plus 2 other secret websites I use when building my DJ playlists. Let's start with the YouTube audio library. To access it, make sure you are logged into your YouTube account and click your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. Once your YouTube Studio opens, look at the far left panel and click on the Audio Library tab. This opens the YouTube Audio Library, a massive archive of thousands of songs with new ones being added daily. At the top, you'll notice that the songs are organized using labels like genre, mood, artist, etc. for easy navigation. There's also a search bar that lets you find songs using the same categories. You can even narrow it down further by combining a genre with a particular mood. For example, you can combine the genre hip-hop with the mood angry by checking both options. Now your results are filtered to aggressive, high-energy tracks.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day.
When you find a song you like, click the download button next to it, or at the bottom beside the built-in player, and the song will be saved directly to your device. Now here's a quick heads up. Since this library is made for all kinds of content creators, not every song will work well in a DJ set. To help with that, I've put together a list of DJ-friendly artists in the video description. Just copy the artist's name and paste it into the search bar. And now that we've covered YouTube's audio library, here's a second free music source I personally use. If YouTube is your starter library, Free Music Archive is where you find hidden gems. To get started, head over to freemusicarchive.org and click Enjoy FMA to begin browsing as a free user. If you don't have an account yet, sign up with your email from the top right corner. It takes less than 30 seconds, and you're in. Now scroll down and you'll see a section for popular genres and featured artists. Let's dive into pop and see what we find. Look at that! Over 20,000 tracks in one genre alone.
Maybe I could get lost in you. Can't get enough of you. Baby, give me good love.
When you're ready to download, click the download icon next to the song or album. A small pop-up will appear, asking if you've read and understood the license. Now, most tracks here are under Creative Commons licenses. That means you can use them in DJ sets, live streams, and even on YouTube, as long as you credit the artist. To credit the artist, simply include details like the song title and artist name in your track list or video description. Once you agree, the download starts instantly. Now we have covered 2 sources, and we've already unlocked tens of thousands of free songs. But our last source might just be the best of them all. Introducing Jamendo. Jamendo is like your pro-level free music library, and it works a bit differently. This is the Jamendo homepage. Jamendo has 2 platforms, Jamendo Music and Jamendo Licensing. Jamendo Music lets you stream and download music for free, perfect for personal DJ sets and live streams. Jamendo Licensing, on the other hand, is for commercial use, like ads, monetized content, or public events. Since we want the free downloads, open Jamendo Music and create a free account with your email. Now you can explore thousands of songs and playlists that are just waiting for you to download. When you find a song you like, click Download, and a pop-up will appear showing the Creative Commons licenses for that track. There are 4 types of Creative Commons licenses, and you can check them all by clicking on any of the displayed licenses and opening the Creative Commons tab. Before you download a song, make sure you understand the type of license it's under. For example, the song Color Out by Host has 2 licenses, CC BY and CC ND. CC BY means you can use it as long as you credit the artist, and CC ND means you can play it in your set, but you can't remix or alter the song. If you're okay with the license terms, click Download, and the song will save instantly to your computer, completely free. For making it this far into the video, here is a bonus free music source that almost no DJ uses the right way. SoundCloud isn't just for streaming popular tracks. Hidden in plain sight is an entire section of free music. And if you know where to look, you can find tracks you can download and use legally, for free. And here's how you do it. Go to SoundCloud.com and create a free account if you don't already have one. Then, in the search bar, type Free Download. Just like that, you'll unlock over 500 songs that you can download instantly.
Maybe I need some rehab, or maybe just need some sleep. I got a sick obsession, I'm seeing it in my dreams. I'm looking down every alley, I'm making those desperate calls. Everybody look at me.
Now there are 2 ways to download songs on SoundCloud, and most people don't realize this. First, look at the track list. Some songs have a little shopping cart icon, and some don't. If a song doesn't have the shopping cart icon, open the menu under the track and click Download File to instantly download that specific song. If the song does have a shopping cart icon, it's still free, but the download works a bit differently. Click the shopping cart and you'll be taken to the artist's download page. Sometimes they'll ask you to leave a comment to support them or sign up for their newsletter. If you're okay with their request, you can complete it, and your free download will be waiting at the end. With YouTube's audio library, free music archive, Jamendo, and now SoundCloud, you've got 4 powerful, legal, and free music sources to boost your DJ sets. So here's your challenge. Download 5 tracks from each site, load them into Virtual DJ, and start crafting your first free mix today. Once again, my name is Young Simba and I make virtual DJ tutorials. If this video helped you out, give us a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and hit that subscribe button. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments below. Till next time, keep practicing.